Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to block artists on Spotify. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so to be able to block artists on Spotify, first head over to the Spotify app and then do a search for the artists that you'd like to block. So I'm going to tap on search and then I'm just going to type in the name of the artist I'd like to block. So say for example I wanted to block Ed Sheeran. I'll do a search for his name and then tap on his account. So I head over to his profile. And then once I'm actually in Ed Sheeran's profile, all I need to do is tap on the three dots underneath his name and next to the follow button. So this will bring up another menu. And all you need to do is tap on the option that says don't play this artist. So it says, okay, we won't play music from this artist again. So essentially that artist has now been blocked. If you want to unblock an artist on Spotify, just come back to their profile again and tap on the three buttons again, and then tap on allow to play this artist. And that artist is now being unblocked. And that's all it takes to block artists on Spotify. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.